Other than the grand. Well, I know this one. So that's the best one. Yeah.
Extend, and every half that lands is automatic management.
I'd say it'd be like $30 a mansion.
All right, my brother.
So, well,
You got it, King. Lovely. Tell me about it.
you recording right now?
Huh?
You recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it don't matter. This,
Yeah.
no, it's good, brother. It's good.
It make me feel good, no bullshit.
What you say, brother?
It make me feel good, no bullshit. To see a bunch of us.
Man, listen, brother.
To experience this.
Facts.